Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So today I'm pretty excited to share this video with you. I will be showing you guys my Jamaican Sandals collection. So if you guys are anything like me and love sandals, I want you guys to stay tuned. I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to give this video a huge like, as the likes really do help my content to get pushed out more on YouTube. So I'd appreciate if you guys would like this video. Also the comments help a lot, so if you are watching today, I want you guys to leave some kind of slippers or sandals in the comments to let me know that you're rocking with me. I want to remind you guys also to check out the previous video on my channel, and I do have another channel about travel and lifestyle and Jamaican culture with my husband. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave the link to that channel called Yardments in the description below so you guys can check it out. So I'm really excited to film this video. I actually did talk about sandals in one of my Christmas gift guides for her that I did last year, December 2020, and I did throw it out to you guys, wondering if you guys would be interested in seeing my sandals collection. Somebody actually said yes, they're definitely interested, so I was like, yeah man, I'm gonna do this video, but I'm just getting around to doing it now. So I have just been loving Jamaican sandals for quite a number of years now. Honestly, the bus slippers thing never did work for me. I think about when I graduated from UE, I think some years ago, I think that's when I was like, yo girl, you need to up it, you know, you can't wear the little China slippers them, the little downtown slippers them and whatever that don't really last, especially because me's a walk foot, me take bus and them something there. So I was like, no, I need to step up my game, and I thought, well, why not just purchase some Jamaican made sandals. I think the first ever sandals that I would have purchased was actually from the gentlemen, like the Rasta men who sell like in Halfway Tree, in like the where's like Tropical Plaza area ish right there. I think that was my first like handmade Jamaican sandals, and then from there I kind of graduated to some other people because me's a girl where I'll be like, yo, I like your sandals, like where did you get them from, like tell me where you get them from, and I'll literally go and purchase. So that's where it basically all started. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys the sandals that I have today. So I'm gonna be categorizing them based on the company. I'm gonna start with the first company that I would have really purchased from, and I actually have a whole lot of sandals from the first company, and that company is called Jam Island Sandals. And please note guys that every business that I mentioned today, I'm gonna leave their link to their Instagram page in the description so you guys can find them a lot easier. So as I said, Jam Island Sandals was the first place that I bought from, and that would have probably been I want to say maybe 6 years ago or so. I think it was maybe about 6 years, and I still have my first pair from them. I'm also going to try to see if I can put a picture up of what the sandals look like on my foot. Not right now, but you know, me in an outfit wearing the sandals. So I'm going to try and put some pictures over here so that you guys can get a better idea as to how they look. The first pair I got from them was this green pair of sandals right here. This is the first pair I got from them, and as you can probably see, I don't know if you guys are able to like actually see on the camera, these are like pretty worn. I love this green color. When I saw it, I was like, I don't have no sandals that is green, and I thought green was just a different from the black or the white, you know them way there. And I was like, yes, I'm really loving the pop of color. So I still have these sandals, and literally guys, these are probably my most worn sandals, honestly. When I did get them at first, the bottom was a little bit hard, but you know, with shoes you have to break them in. But I definitely wear these, are like my go-to like Saturday slippers. So I did get these 6 years ago. I'm not sure what they cost currently, but as I said, all the information with the links to this, it will be in the description box, so don't worry about that. you can link them and find out. So this was my first pair from Jam Island Sandals. The next pair that I would have gotten from them was in this tie-up style. And you guys are probably going to notice that I love the little tie-up style. This is another one that I probably got this one 5 years ago, to be honest. Because I was so pleased with the first one. And I mean, I still wear it and I still have it. So I was like, yeah, I definitely want to buy again. Which are these. This is the style right here. As I said, I'll try to find a picture so you guys can see how I wear it. The thing though that I don't really like with this one, I don't really wear this one so much anymore because honestly I bought so many other sandals and I've had this one for so long. But the thing I don't really like about it is that it started very soon. It started to like shed out, like the threading and stuff on it started to shed out. So I frequently had to like be cutting them off and stuff. So I didn't really like that. But I mean, I honestly have gotten so much wear out of these sandals, and I wanted a gold sandals or a mustard color sandals just because I don't know, I feel like it can wear enough things. So this was the other style that I got after that. After that, I decided that I wanted a metallic looking sandals. So I actually got this pair from Jam Island Sandals as well. This is similar, this is the same style as the first one, but this has a more metallic look and it's silver. And yeah, I still wear that one the same way. So this and the green one are like my go-to like Saturday or chilling or beach sandals. Like I literally can wear these anywhere. So this was the other pair that I got from Jam Island Sandals. And the last pair that I got from them is actually in another tie-up another tie-up sandals. And as I said, people, I've had these for like a long time. I've probably had this one like 4 years now. So I definitely kept going back to get more sandals from her. So this is the other one that I have. Yeah, this is like a rose style. There's no heel to it, it's flat. But yeah, I still wear them. I still wear them just to go on the road and whatever. Like I literally get so much wear out of these. And as I say, them no bust for me or nothing. So I still wear them. I still walk foot. So yeah, this is the final pair that I got from Jam Island Sandals. I do find that they do have very good customer service. They're they communicate very well. It was easy. All the times that I would have purchased from them, it would have been very easy for me to like make a purchase, and the delivery of the item, it was very smooth sailing. But yeah, I have 5 pairs of sandals from Jam Island Sandals. I haven't bought from them in a little while, but as I said, I'll leave their information in the description so you can see what they have, if they have any new styles, and yeah, so check them out, guys. So the next company that I would have purchased Jamaican made sandals from is actually called Shemz Footwear. Now, as I said, because I really love Jamaican sandals, I'll be scrolling on Instagram and like Jamaican Sandals Makers would just pop up in like my sponsored ads and stuff like that. So this one actually wasn't a word of mouth like Jam Island Sandals, because I did see a friend of mine wear them. Big up yourself, Iman, if you're watching, and she was actually my link to Jam Island. But for this one, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I actually found them, and I was like, alright, cool, I'm gonna give them a try. So the first sandals that I actually ordered from them was this pair, and I don't remember when I bought this one. I probably bought this one maybe about 2017 or 2018, around that time. So this is the first pair, and as I say, I'll try to find a picture so that you guys can actually see how it fits on my feet. But yeah, this one was kind of uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. And I actually experienced some stripping on the sole of the sandals. I mean, still you can feel like they're very good quality. And also something else that I noticed with the sandals after wearing it, because me wear my sandal them, like I wear them anywhere and everywhere, so I really wear them a lot. I realized that at the bottom, like the black paint or whatever they use to kind of give it that clean finish, it actually started to strip off the bottom of it. So this is not the most comfortable one. I do like the style though. I don't know if at first I was like, I don't really know if it fits my feet really nicely, but I mean, I feel like they're very well made. They are kind of hard at the sole and a little bit uncomfortable, but they were also very reasonable. Shemz still has his page up, so if you guys want to check out his page, as I said, it will be in the description. So this was the other pair, the first pair that I would have gotten from Shemz Footwear. The second pair that I got from Shemz Footwear is this style. This one strap style. This is actually in bronze, and I've always loved this style. I don't know, I feel like it's so unique and so elegant. and I wanted to try this, but I don't know if it's something wrong with my foot, but every time I try to wear these sandals, this would just slip down on the back of my foot. I don't know, like part of me was like, how people get this to stay up on their foot? Like how do they get the strap to stay up? Because every time I take 2 steps it drops down. I even actually went as far as to contact Shemz and say, oh, I don't know if the strap is too big, I don't know what it is, but every time I put it on it slides down the back of my foot. And so this one I haven't really worn it a lot because every time I take 2 steps I have to be pulling up the back of it, because this part is supposed to sit like at the back of your ankle, but it keeps falling down. He actually came and tightened it for me, but it still kept falling down. So I don't really wear these much, to be honest. I don't really get much wear out of them, to be honest, because if I have to walk, I'm gonna wear, as me I said, when I know say me a walk foot, like it just don't work. It just does not work. I probably need to give them away because I just have them here because I haven't really worn them. But yeah, I wear size 9 for anybody who wants these sandals. If you're interested in, you know, getting them, I'll give them away if you're okay with that. Yeah, so this is a size 9. So this would have been the second pair that I bought from Shemz. Footwear, again, very reasonable. And the thing about him too is he works really fast, and also he is very reasonable. Like the prices are very reasonable, and he's always having some sale. He's always having a sale on some particular prices. I almost feel like he has a sale like every month on some different styles. So you can definitely check out Shemz Footwear on Instagram. So the next one you guys would have probably seen me mention in my Jamaican gift guide for her. And these sandals I have are from Lucy Sandals JA. Now I must say, for Lucy Sandals, I feel like her sandals are the most unique ones that I've ever seen. A lot of them are kind of borrowed from a big Jamaican brand out here, and I feel like they have been inspired by that brand, let me say that. But I feel like Lucy sandals are very, very unique. So these are the pair that I have from them. I don't know if it's my ankle back or what, but I do find that the strap tends to fall down a little bit. But what I had to do is that I had to just bore or pierce more holes in the strap so that it fits a bit more snug on my foot. But for the most part, I think these just look so effortless. Like I don't wear them a lot because honestly the soles are kind of hard and that makes them a little bit uncomfortable to stand in for a long period of time. But they were definitely reasonable. The customer service was very good with Lucy. I know a lot of people, when I see them comment on her page and stuff, a lot of people say that she has very good customer service. I actually found out about Lucy Sandals on Instagram. I saw somebody who I follow post her sandals and tag her, and that's how I found the page. And I was like, yo, these sandals are really unique. So these really look good on the foot. It's almost like, yeah, I say, how this stay on your foot? Like when people see it, they're like, how does it stay on your foot? But they look really, really nice, and she has a whole bunch of unique styles. So you guys can check out Lucy Sandals JA on Instagram. Her link will be in the description. So yeah, these are my other pair of sandals from Lucy. So my next pair of Jamaican made sandals are from a company called Kataleya JA. You would also have heard me mention this Jamaican company in my Christmas gift guide. If you guys haven't watched that too, I will link it in the description, in the cards also. So this is my only pair of sandals from them, and trust me, one thing I have to say about them sandals here, they are the most comfortable. Sandals sometimes can be a little bit hard, especially on the soles of your feet, especially if you stand a lot or you walk a lot like me. But these are honestly the most comfortable. They didn't really even take me any time. Like I didn't have to break them in for them to become comfortable. When I got them, they were just very comfortable. So they too have some unique styles on their page to Kataleya JA, so you guys can check them out. But I really love this color, and I really love the style too. I feel like, and it does have a little heel as well. I feel like the style, you can wear it, you can dress it up, or you can, you know, dress it down. It can be casual, whatever. But I just feel like I just love the rose style. So I definitely like Kataleya's sandals, and the customer service. Oh my, I bought from them on more than one occasion, but I actually bought a sandals for one of my friends. And and the customer service is just good. And this is me, I'm a very understanding consumer in Jamaica. It takes you to do a lot for me to be like, yo, the customer service sucks, like you have to do something really bad. I love when businesses, like small businesses, communicate with you. It's not like, I feel like as a Jamaican customer, it's not like we don't know that things happen, but what we don't like is that you don't communicate. So I love the fact that they communicate with you every step of the way. Payment was easy, and they have very good customer service, as I said. And for the most part, the sandals are prepared in good time. I think they tell you about 5 days it takes, and sometimes they will tell you, oh, it's ready before the 5 days. So I bought this actually as a gift to myself for my birthday in 2020, and I just really love them. So yeah, these are my Kataleya sandals, and they tie up. As you guys realize, I like the tie up style. So these are my sandals from Kataleya. I love them. The final sandals that I'll be showing you, and my most recent sandals, these are the most recent ones I've gotten, are from the Bridget sandals. Now Bridget sandals is like a household name for sandals in Jamaica. I think they're probably one of the first persons to actually make the kind of sandals and the style of sandals that they do. Don't quote me on that, but I'm just saying I think so. And I actually have 2 pairs from them. These are honestly more on the pricey side. The 2 pairs of Bridget sandals that I have, I actually got as gifts. So as I said, they're kind of more on the pricier side, but I do love the finish with the Bridget sandals. They too take some breaking into. The soles of them are not all that comfortable. So if you're wearing them for the first time, you know, God go with you, because they are not the most comfortable. But I mean, once you break them in, they're not that bad. They do have a lot of detail on it too. They have their name logoed on the bottom of the sandal. So this is the first one. Well, actually, this is the second one. This is the second Bridget. So this is actually my most recent sandal, Jamaican made sandals, and as I said, it was from Bridget. I love this color. I've always wanted a sandals that was pink. I just feel like pink is just such a cute color. You can color block it and match it with different outfits. So I really like this color. So this was from Bridget. I will leave their information in the description below. Also, I like the fact too that Bridget sandals does come with a dust bag that you can keep your sandals in. So I really like that, and of course it's branded with their name on it. This is the first one that I got, and as you can see in the foot bottom, that I really wear this. I really love this. I love the rose style just because I feel like it looks so classy. Even if your outfit is just a little maybe cash and you want to dress it up a little bit, you can definitely wear these sandals. They are the same type of style. As you probably realize, I love the rose kind of style. So this was my first Bridget sandals. We got my husband, we got myself, good day. Yeah, so he got me these. And so yeah, I wear these a whole lot. Bridget actually does have a store. I don't think any of the other companies that I mentioned previously have a physical store where you can go and like try on sandals, but Bridget actually does have a store. I should have mentioned also that Kataleya does come with a dust bag too, so that's nice. That's a nice little touch too that I really like. So the other companies, you basically tell them your side, and I know that for Lucy's especially, she has a size guide, and she goes as far on her Instagram page as to show you how to measure your foot if you're not sure if your foot wide or narrow, high, instep, whatever it is. And she does allow you on her website to put in those specific details. Kataleya is the same thing. They ask you to take a picture of your feet and they look at it and say, are your feet wide? They ask you different questions so that you can basically get the best fit for your sandals. So I wanted to actually kind of rate or rank the sandals in a few categories. So for me, the most comfortable sandals that I've ever owned out of the collection is actually the Kataleya one, which is the green one. So this one to me is the most comfortable one. Like, I didn't have to wear it to like break it in. From I was wearing it, it was comfortable, and I really appreciated that. The next category that I want to rank them on is the finish. Honestly, I feel like the Bridget sandals had the best finish. The best finish out of it. It looked very clean, and I mean, even what they use around the edges, the black and whatever they use, like, it just looks really refined and defined, and it just has a really good finish to me. So I think they would win in that category. The other category I would say is probably like efficiency or speediness. I think that the Shemz Shemz Footwear sandals. So these, they were already legit in like 2 days. Like it never took me no time for the sandals to be ready and get to me, so I really appreciated that. And honestly, in terms of customer service, everybody shot. The customer service, honestly, that I've received from all of these brands were pretty good. And you know me not gonna send you out to buy from nobody with none of manners and them customer service poor. I personally have never experienced any bad customer service with any one of these persons. So I definitely recommend them. And of course, guys, you want to build up Jamaica. If you're from Jamaica and you're watching, you know, so we want to build up a country. So please go ahead and support all of these brands. Their Instagram handles will be in the description box below, and you guys can check out the other sandal styles that they have. Maybe they have some, I'm sure they have some that I don't have here, so you guys can check them out. And yeah, support the thing, people, support them. So I want to thank you guys for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I want to remind you guys to subscribe if you haven't. If you reached this far in the video, you must can give this video a little like up this video. Remember to leave in the comments if you've ever purchased any one of these sandals before and which sandal style is your favorite. Remember to leave that in the comments. And of course, if you don't want to mention any of that, you can just leave a sandals emoji in the comments to let me know that you are rocking with me for the entire video. I want to remind you too that I do have previous videos on my channel, and I do have some playlists there that you guys can check out to make it easier for you to find something that you like. And I have another channel called Handmade with my husband that I would love for you guys to check out too. All those links will be in the description. So I want to thank you again, guys, for the love and support. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.